Alright, we just created our audiences and now it's time to create the campaign. Now this will be a short video because most of what I'm going to show you now you probably already know. Make sure you already created the retargeting pins that you want to use. I'm not going to show you how to create the pins because you already know this. Just create the pins the same way as you could create a normal ad. And once you have created your pins, your retargeting pins and your audiences, we're going to create the campaign. And therefore we can click create ad, and we're just going to use a conversion campaign for this. Hit continue, select use existing list, and now we want to select site visitors and engagement, depending on which one you're going to do first, but let's select this one as an example. So this audience is going to target, but we also want to exclude the people that have already checked out, because we don't want to show them our ad again, because that doesn't really make sense. So we're going to select the checkout one as well, and here we're going to select exclude list. Now add selected list. The audiences, as you can see, are still initializing because we just created them today, but it's just for an example for now. Name your ad group as the audience that you're going to use. No need to use keywords and interest. Make sure you do select the right demographics. So this would be US. Languages, we can skip this because it's going to retarget the people, and we already selected the language at the cold campaign. And now the budget, I always like to start very low on $5, especially if you haven't even scaled yet. You want to start low, and once you start scaling, you can start creating CPAs for the retargeting as well. But now we're just going to use automatic bidding with $5. Checkout, and here you can select your retargeting pins. In our case, we're just going to select this one, and then we can publish the campaign. And of course, we also want to add the other audiences that we created. So the engagement audience, we are also going to add in here. Just duplicate it, change the audience to the engaged audience, and then we can start with these two big audiences. And again, as we start scaling our cold campaigns and we are spending more and more budget on a product or a campaign, then we want to add budget to the retargeting campaigns as well, and also create smaller audiences from 14 days, 7 days up to 1 day. And you'll see that those the warmer the audience, which means the lower the time in between you retarget them. So the ones from yesterday, for example, those often convert the best, and as you'll see, your ROAS on your retargeting campaigns will also be a lot higher than on your cold campaigns.